Hi, let's talk about LCM and GCD in this lecture. LCM, as the name implies, is the least common multiple. On the other hand, GCD is the greatest common divisor. This means that if we have two or more numbers, then their least common multiple is known as the LCM. For example, if we have 2 and 3 as the chosen numbers, then the multiples for them are 6. From this, 6 is the LCM because it's the least common multiple. Greatest common divisor. When you have two or more numbers, then the greatest common divisor for them is the factor that is common to all of them. How do we find this out? Well, let's say if the two numbers that we want to find the GCD for are 24 and 18, then we write 24 down as 2 into 2 into 2 into 3 and 18 as 2 into 3 into 3. We can see that this is common to both the numbers. Thus, 3 into 2 equals to 6 becomes the greatest common divisor. GCD is also known as HCF, highest common factor, or GCF, greatest common factor. Now, how do we calculate GCD or LCM? You've seen that when I was talking about this example, I shown you one way of calculating GCD. All you do is you prime factorize the numbers, then you choose the common factors from over there, and then you just multiply them. In the case of LCM, what we do is we prime factorize the number and we choose from this set each factor only once. So for example, we see that 3 is common here. We take 3, okay. We take 2 from here. We take 2 from here. There is an extra 2 here, so we'll include that here. Okay. So we have taken all the factors once at least. The ones that are common are represented here. Okay. This gives us the least common multiple as 24 for 12 and 24. The LCM of a fraction, what you do in this case is LCM of all the fractions, all the given fractions is equal to the LCM of the numerators divided by the HCF of denominators. HCF or GCD, it's one and the same thing. Similarly, HCF or GCD of all the fractions is equal to HCF of numerators upon LCM of denominators. It's as simple as that. There is a simpler way to find the LCM of a lot of numbers. For example, if you're given to find the LCM of 5, 10, 62, 100, then follow my method here. This is an old method, just follow my steps. How are we going to do this? You take the least factor first, 2. 5 is not divisible by 2, so we write 5 down. 10 is divisible by 2, so we divide it. So we have 5 here. Similarly, 31, 50. Let's have 2 again. So you reduce all of these numbers by dividing them by factors. Now your LCM is simply 2 into 2 into 5 into 5 into 31, which comes out to be 3100. This is one way of finding LCM. So that is that. See you in the practice session.